Hello there. Hope you are doing well. So here we have another odd sentence-based question, where, and the direction for this question is five jumbled up sentences labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So five jumbled sentences are there related to our topic, right? So, and they are given below. Four of them can be put together to form a coherent paragraph. Identify the odd sentence and key in the number of that sentence as your answer. Well, let's read each sentence. The first sentence said, if consciousness arises solely from complex brain functions, can machines ever achieve true sentences? A question which is asked here, right? So, this sentence poses a question about the potential for machines to achieve consciousness, focusing on artificial intelligence rather than theories of human consciousness, isn't it? So, look at the second one. The concept of you can say that qualia, the subjective experience of qualia, which is called as a redness pain, remains a central challenge to materialist accounts of consciousness. Right. Um, in that case, this sentence discusses what? This sentence discusses the challenges that qualia pose to materialistic theories of consciousness, isn't it? So let's look at the third one. Dualist theories posit a separate mind or soul that interacts with the physical brain to produce consciousness. So this sentence again explains what? Explains the dualist perspective on consciousness, which contrasts with you can say that materialist views. Contrast, contrast, materialist views, isn't it? So that is what we find out in option 3. Option 4 stated, some argue that consciousness is an emergent property of complex system not requiring a soul or immaterial substance. So this sentence presents the emergent property, property theory as an alternative to dualism and materialism. So, and the fifth one, which is given with the contrast, however, defining and measuring consciousness objectively remains a significant feature in this philosophical debate. So this sentence addresses what? Addresses the ongoing challenge of objectively defining and measuring consciousness. So on the basis of that, we can say uh, option 2, which is stated the concept of Kalia, the subjective experience of Kalia, the redness pain remains a central challenge to materialist accounts of consciousness, right? Whereas dualist theory posits a separate mind or soul that interact with the physical brain to produce consciousness, right? So here we can find out uh, option 2, which discusses, you can say that about consciousness. So, and three options stated nothing but explaining contrast viewpoint on materialist view, right? So this could be called as option uh, means the pair of it. Then four, which is stated, some argue that consciousness is an emergent property of complex system, not requiring a soul or immaterial substance. So this could be called as a third sequence, and uh, fifth, which is again called as a addressing the ongoing challenge of objectively defining and measuring consciousness, right? So this could be called as a fourth, right? So hence we can say that 2, 3, 4, and 5. So they present the sequence, and the 1 would be the odd one here. Why? Now, because when sentence 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 5 form a coherent discussion of the philosophical philosophical theories, theories, and challenges related to consciousness, including Kalia dualist theories, emergent property theories, and the difficulty of objective measurement, whereas the sentence 1 does what? Sentence 1 shifts the focus to the question of what? Machine sentences and artificial intelligence, which is not directly related to the discussion of human consciousness, theories, and challenges. So, therefore, we can say sentence 1 would be the or sentence out is um, this one, as it diverges from the central theme of human consciousness theories and the associated philosophical debates. The remaining sentence form a logical and coherent paragraph discussing different views and challenges in understanding consciousness, isn't it? So one would be called as a odd one here, right? I hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.